Welcome to ITS NEXTGEN 2.0, the next generation of ACE systems. I am really excited to announce that we have merged with GMS International to create ITS, the new ITS, to simplify your logistics through technology. A little bit about our company. We were founded in 1989, and we were the very first Windows-based software package for ACE. And then, as we showed today, we have merged with GMS International. We have 3 decades of successful partnership with U.S. Customs, and service is our business. We are a native web system, very easy to use, very powerful ACE system. All you need is a computer and a high-speed internet connection. We handle the connection to U.S. Customs. We do the data management on your system. We do the backups for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And we handle the infrastructure. So we take a lot of pressure off your IT department. And if you don't have an IT department, we are now your IT department. We are secure and scalable. Again, hosted environment on the Azure cloud. Azure is a Microsoft product. It's Microsoft's cloud. We have SSL certificates and SHA-2 security. We run on a MS SQL database. That's what allows us to scale as big as you are going to be able to scale and be secure and reliable. Our products include custom brokerage, ocean export, air export, import NVO, which is also what we call our break bulk system, ocean AMS, a full accounting system, air AMS, and when I say full accounting system, it means all the way down to the general ledger, air AMS, and coming soon, a warehouse and trucking system. That's also going to be our PO management system, so that's coming soon. Take the ITS challenge. Does your current system have a fully integrated container tracking system that's actually integrated into the files themselves? As you're doing the data entry, you can see where your container is. Does your current system have customizable workflow management? That allows you to create the workflows for your business so that you can manage by exception and see the shipments that really require attention. Does your current system have customized customer web portals? So can you create a web portal for your customer to go to share documents with you, to see where their shipments are, and to do this container tracking? Does your current system fully integrate with the CMQ? So if you do a cargo manifest query in our system, it will automatically upload that data into the file itself, so you don't have to enter a lot of the data that's required to do the shipments. Does your current system provide integrated auditing of the files? If you have an auditing team, this is a must, and this is a must-see for them. It can save you lots of time, lots of effort, and ensure that all of your files are meeting customs requirements. So real quickly through our system, our custom brokerage system, as you can see, we did put a picture of the integrated tracking in there so you can see where your shipments are. In green in the middle of the screen, or the kind of the top middle of the screen, you can see the CMQ query. And what's cool is it is green when everything matches up. If anything that you've entered into the system does not match what is on custom system, it will be red. So really good feature for you. The next thing we have are pop-up notifications of important customs messages. So if you are required to have a document receipt acknowledgement, it will automatically pop up for the user to see. They don't have to go click a dashboard. They don't have to go click anywhere. It's right in front of them so they can see whether a release was suspended, or if, like this says, document receipt is acknowledged. We have a robust itemized charge system, so you can itemize all the charges down to a granular level, whether it's destination charges, insurance, prepaid duty, all of that. We've got you covered, integrated into the entry, just keeps track of all of those charges for you. Here's the quality control audit feature that I was mentioning earlier, and you can use that in conjunction with the workflow manager, which I also mentioned earlier. So you can measure your KPIs, you can do the auditing. It shows you right on the screen all the files that you've had that have not been audited. If it's been audited, it automatically would come off the workflow manager, so you wouldn't have to go check it off. It'll just be there for you. We have a pro forma invoice program, so either you can enter the data as a pro forma invoice, or even better, you can have your customers enter the data into the system, and then it will upload for you. If you want to integrate with it, we electronically integrate too, but there is a way that you can put a portal at your customer site so they can enter this data. Lights out, ACE. This system is fully integrated with our system and compliance control and edits and all of that. You can receive a file from a customer. It automatically loads into the system. It sends to customs automatically. You receive the results from customs, and we trigger a send to the trucker at the border. No human intervention to get an entry cleared. If you are on the border, this is key for you to be able to successfully move your freight in the most efficient fashion. We have an ocean export system, so you can create your bills of lading, create your bookings and quotes. Air export, you can do consolidations, e-airway bill, AES, all on the screen in front of you. Create your airway bills, all of that. Air AMS, you can submit your manifests. If you're not doing brokerage work, then you can use this tool to be able to query customs and get your 1Cs. Ocean AMS, you can submit the ocean manifest to customs. We have our deconsolidation. This is the NVO program where you can do deconsolidations. You can do your NVO work, your arrival notices, DOs, all of that, and it will transfer over that data to your brokerage department if you have a brokerage department. If not, you can send those documents electronically to the broker. We have color-coded dashboards all right in front of you. Here's the automated cargo manifest query that I mentioned earlier. And what's nice about this is you can obviously send the query manually, but as soon as you enter a bill of lading into the system will automatically send it for you. So you don't even have to take the second step of writing it down a second time and sending it, because the system's just going to do it for you. And the results are right there in front of you. Everything is just a click away. Here's the automated container tracking. Same thing on the tracking. As soon as you enter a container number, the system will start to go out and it will scrape the site, the shipper site, and bring you back all the information about where that container is. Very, very sophisticated and thorough parts database, all the way down to through the PGA integration. So if you've entered the PGA data into your parts database, when you're doing the entry, all you have to do is enter the part number, and then the system will fill out the rest of it for you. Templates everywhere. So if you don't have a parts database built, and even some of our customers that have the parts built will also take advantage of the templates. You can build templates for nearly everything, and that just makes the data entry process lightning speed fast. Here's the workflow manager that I talked about earlier. And again, these are dashboards that you build. You build yourself. So I just wanted a dashboard in this case to show me the file number, my cargo release results, my container status, and my PGA status. All that's what I wanted. And if you wanted to take it another step further with this, you could say, only show me the files that have may proceed on the PGA. And the system will automatically drop off the files that don't have may proceed on it. So you don't have to go click it off. It automatically does that for you. So think about in your business what information you want to see, when you need to see it, and you can build these dashboards so that in these workflows so that they do the work for you. You don't have to go investigate anything. Customized report writer. Again, if a customer calls you and they want a special report, and we all know they do, and we all know they do it all the time, you don't have to rely on ITS to do those reports. You can go into the system, You pick the fields you want, you pick how you want it sorted, you pick the range to be able to produce it, and boom, you got yourself a report. Really cool feature of this, I mentioned earlier about building your web portal for your customer. Well, these reports can go onto that portal so that you can provide your customer their report. We do have canned reports, so when I talk about our custom report writer, I want to make sure people know we also have a lot of reports built into the system, canned reports. We have a very sophisticated billing matrix system so that you can go in, and if you want to charge different things for line charges or PGAs, you can build pretty much any kind of billing matrix within this system. Like I had mentioned earlier, we have integrated accounting analysis. So if you want some graphical reports to see how you're doing and how you're trending over time, you can do that, including budgeting, which is a pretty cool feature. We have a full document management system built in, so you can upload your documents into the system. You can attach them to files. You can attach them to customers. You can also, again, if you've built out your web portal for your customer, you can upload documents to them, so you don't have to email it to them. It can just be there for them when they want it. And then our data integration. We are experts in web service integration. We can almost guarantee no duplication of data entry. We've done large-scale integration with ERP systems like SAP and accounting systems, all the way from Microsoft Dynamics to QuickBooks. And then we mentioned the lights out integration. So any kind of integration work that you need done, we can take care of it. Not only can we take care of it, we want to. We are excited to be able to bring companies together through the integration of data. The less data input that needs to be done, the more efficient your business is going to be. It's a partnership of values. We do what we say we're going to do. We're customer focused. We're proactive. We're process driven. We're dedicated to customer success. And I thank you for spending it was supposed to be a pretty short video. I think it's ended up being 12 to 15 minutes long. So if you've stuck it out to the end, I really appreciate that. My contact information is at the bottom of the screen. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.